Okay, on 5 through 10, we are going to find all the real zeros of the function. On 1 through 4, we just listed possible rational zeros, so now we're going to actually find them. Let's look at 5. What are the possible zeros on 5? Well, our constant term is 8, so we have 1, 2, 4, or 8. Now, remember, and I didn't do this before on the last video, go back on your homework and put plus and minus in front of everything. Sorry. Teachers can make mistakes too. So let's look at 5 again and let's try synthetic division. So the first coefficient for the x cubed term is 1. The second coefficient for x squared is -3. Then -6 and then +8. That gives all my terms, so I don't need to put a 0 in there because I have 3, 2, 1, 0. And I want to guess a number down here. So remember, I always go for that +1 just because it's so fast to try. So put my 1 down here, bring it down, multiply, add, -2. Be careful with your signs when you add down. -2, this is -8, and -8 and 0. Good. That worked out nice. So now I'm going to put this back into a function of my first term was x cubed, so now this drops a degree, and so it's x squared minus 2x minus 8. I'm going to flip the sign of the 1 when I put back in the parentheses, so x minus 1. Now, I need to see if this will go down any farther. It's a quadratic, so I can try my 2 parentheses, x and x. Okay, let's see, a could be, looks like it's 4 and 2. So -4, because I have a negative here, so I want my big one to be negative. And then +2. Does it multiply back? Check. X squared plus 2x minus 4x minus 8. Yes, that's right. Put my x minus 1 back out here. And this is my factors answer. Is that what they wanted? No, it said to find all the real zeros. So I'm going to flip all the signs here. So my real zeros are 1, 4, and -2. Right? If I wanted to check that, I could pop it in my calculator real fast, make sure the graph crossed at 1, 4, and -2. Okay, let's try another one. How about 7? So on 7, I have 1, 4, 1, -6. Okay, let's list my possible answers. Remember, I drop the sign when I bring the constant down to list possible answers. So my 6 could be 1 times 6 or 2 times 3. And remember, everything is plus and minus. So let's try my 1 again. Bring my 1 down. 4, 8, 8, 9. Oh, that's not going to work, is it? Okay, let's put a -1 out here then and bring that 1 down. That would be, how did I get a 4 there? Let's try that again. Okay, 1 into 1, 4, 1, -6. Okay, bring my 1 down. And then I have 1 here, not 4. Add 5. Add 6. Now it works. Okay, that's good. Okay, so I have x, flip sign, -1 times x squared plus 5x plus 6. And I don't think we can take this one down any. Well, I can. X minus 1 times x plus 3